You broke down on the road. Maybe a belt or a hose, I wouldn't know. I see you sunk, but I'm not torn. I'll give you 2 friendly beeps on that horn. You look up as I wave, yeah, and you wave back, and then I whip my middle finger out for the attack. Now you're mad and you're confused. You got the super sucker drive-by blues.
Alright, CVA Hunter. This one's M44 mag. I already did videos on these. I got a 7mm odd 8. Great rifle. So is this one. Low recoil. Holds a pretty fairly tight group. Excellent gun. Like I said, it's single action. And break open. Yeah, it might be a little bit of an overkill for a scope, but that's how we roll. There is a 6x18 on top. Bushnell, dusk till dawn, draws in a lot of light. But there you go. It's just like the other Hunter I got. Good rifle, like the caliber. 44 mag, 240 grain. Shooting out at 50 yards. Always got to have that one hanger when the camera's on. Never fails. Every time you film, there's that one hanger. You can have the tightest group. That's what, right before, I wish I was filming right before this, because the group of 3 I shot, all 3 were touching. Now I turn the camera on, I can't do shit.